Transform your church visual graphics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can create an eye-catching and modern church visual graphics for your announcement presentation, your songs or lyrics presentation, Bible scriptures presentation, and any other presentation you want to use the graphics for. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to do all this. Okay, but before we dive into the tutorials, I want to walk you through some sample of them I've created, and after that I'm going to walk you through how you can create them yourself and use them at your church. Okay, all right, so this is the first one. This one's like this, good for scripture background. Okay,
digital connect, where tech meets the soul, bringing hearts together, making us whole. Lights and prayers unite, lighting up the night. Feel the holy light, shining oh so bright. Digital connect, where tech meets the soul, bringing hearts together, making us whole. Join our journey now, future in our hand. Holy tech surround across this sacred land. Join our journey now, future in our hand. Holy tech surrounds across this sacred land. Digital connect, where tech meets the soul, bringing hearts together, making us whole. Lights and prayers unite.
okay, so these are the motion graphics that we are going to create, and many more. Okay, we are going to create a lot of them. Okay, it's not going to only be limited to the one I've shown you, but it's going to be many more. All right, guys, you can see that I've put a lot of effort in putting these things together for you guys. So what I want you guys to do for me is to just subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you've not done so, or today is your first time seeing this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, kindly like my videos, kindly share my videos, and kindly press on the bell icon so that anytime I release videos like this, you might be the first to see them. All right, so guys, I want to show you guys how to do this, and we are going to use the application called Canva. Okay, we're going to use Canva to get all these motion graphics done. All right, so you can follow along with the tutorial by using your smartphone. You can download the Canva app on your smartphone. If you have a tablet, you can download the app on the tablet, and if you have a PC, which I recommend because it's going to make your life easy, you can also use the PC to follow along with this tutorial. Okay, guys, so before we dive into the tutorial, I recorded this tutorial some time ago, not that long ago. This tutorial here, design beautiful church flyer for free using Canva. Okay, you can watch this tutorial to see how you can subscribe to the Canva Pro version. Okay, if you have the free version, you can still follow along with this tutorial. You can get a lot of the templates. Okay, but the more beautiful ones and the nicer ones are mostly in the Pro version. Okay, so if you subscribe to the 30 days free trial, you get access to all the premium features on Canva for free, and you can put all these graphics together within the 30 days. Okay, so I've created a project file here, so let me go into my project file. Okay, and then I've created a folder here, so let me click inside the folder, and then you can see that I have church motion graphics here. Let me click inside the church motion graphics here. Okay, so these are the motion graphics I have put together. All right, I've put together. Okay, so we have a lot of them. We have some of them are still images and some of them are videos as well. Okay, so this one is like a PowerPoint presentation which has a very nice background I can use for so many things. This one is also like a PowerPoint presentation, but if you don't want the presentation part, you can just stick to the background and use it for anything you want to use it for. You don't need to have it as a presentation or to be sliding like this. Okay, and then this one is a video. This one is a video. If you don't want the text on it, you can just customize it to use it for only the background purpose, and so on and so forth. Okay, you can see that I have a lot of them here. The example I show you, you can see that most of them are here. All right, okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can customize them, and then after that I'm going to show you guys how you can also download it as well. Okay, so let's pick a file like this one, or maybe this one. Okay, this one is a video. Let me click on it like this. Okay guys, so when it opens like this, okay, maybe okay, this is a video, so let me play the video for you guys to see. Okay, so this is a video, is playing. All right, the background is changing. Okay, so I think my network is very slow. Okay, so maybe you don't want the text on it, you only need the background. Okay, so the only thing, or the simple thing you can do, is to just delete the text on it, then you leave the background alone for your works. Okay, maybe you don't need the text, just leave the background. So when you play it again like this, you can see that you have only the background which is changing colors. Okay, then after that you just save it, and then that is it. You've created your motion graphics for it. So any background at all you want, this one like this is a motion graphic. Okay, so after you've done like this, if you want to save it, just go to share. All right, just go to share and go to download. Okay, go to download like this, and then when you go to download, keep it, since it's a motion graphic, keep it on MP4. The quality is 1080. You can increase the quality here up to 4K. Okay, but you can keep it at 1080, which is a good quality. Then you can just press on the download button and it's going to download for you guys. Okay, so after that you just go through it, and then you look at the designs you want. Okay, the design that is appealing to you, you just click on it, and then you start working on them, like this one, like this one. So looking at this, if you don't like the text or the person running, or if you like the person running, don't like the text, you can customize anything you want over here. Everything on it are customizable. You can either delete it or you can rename it to anything you want. Okay, so you can do a whole lot with it. Okay, you can do a whole lot with it. Okay, you can change the fonts over here. You have a lot of fonts here. You have a lot of them here. You can change the font here. You can increase the style over here as well. Okay, you can see that it's just going nicely. Okay, I have a lot of them here that you can customize according to your need. Okay, so all what you need to have is patience. Okay, you need to have patience, and you need to have time to search. Okay, so for things to be easy for you, you can just search for motion graphics, something like motion graphics or motion background. You can search for motion graphics, motion background, church motion graphics. Just add and subtract, and then you're going to get a lot of varieties of backgrounds that you can work with. Okay, so one thing I've thought to make things easy for you, because some of you guys would like to have exactly the same graphics I'm having here, or the same graphics I've shown you. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do for you guys is that I'm going to Canva doesn't allow you to share the folder. If they allow, I will have shared this folder link with you guys so that you can just click on it and then it will take you here. But the application doesn't allow you to do that. Okay, so what I will do for you guys, okay, which is going to take me a lot of time and effort, but I'm going to do it for you guys because we are going to use it to for the work of God. We're going to use it to worship God, and I believe that by the end of the day, God is going to bless me for also contributing to his ministry. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do for you guys here is that I'm going to leave the names. I'm going to type these names. I'm going to copy individually the names of these templates, okay, under the video description, so that when you just copy it and paste, you are going to just redirect you to the video or the image, so that you can just customize it and download it. Okay, so guys, you can see that it's going to take me a lot of effort to put this together. All right, you see, because each and every graphic have a name that identifies it. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. So let me see something like this here. So let's say this one. Okay, if I want you guys to get the exact thing like this, okay, this is the name of it, this is the name of it. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this name here. Okay, I'm just going to copy this name here, and then let me go to a different browser. This is my Mozilla browser. Okay, just copy a different name, and I'm going to paste it here. Let me paste it here like this, and then let me search for it. All right guys, so you can see that this is the video. Okay, this is the video. Let me go to my, this is the video. Okay, this one. Okay, when you go to my Mozilla browser, this is the video. Okay, this is the video that I've shown over here. So you can just click on it and then you start customizing it. Okay, so this is going to make your life easy, and then it's going to also make everything simple for you guys. Okay, so guys, this is the favor, or this is what I'm going to do to help you guys. Okay, that is why I'm saying that you guys also support me by subscribing to my channel. Okay, this application have so many resources that you can use. Okay, all what you need to know how to do is to know how to search well. Okay, if you can modify your search and then take your time to search very well, you're going to get a lot of resources which will be even more beautiful than this. Okay, you're going to get so many resources, guys. Okay, so just take your time and search for the information. You're going to get a lot of information, guys. Okay, so I don't want the tutorial to be very long. I think this is where I'm going to end with you guys, and I'm going to leave everything in the video description. I'll come your way again with another great tutorial. So thank you for sticking to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys, and bye bye.